CBS National Championship is brought to you by Dr. Pepper. Tell the world what makes you one of a kind with the IMA hashtag on Twitter. Taco Bell, think outside the box.
My throat when I go home.
Tostitos knows how to party. And Bud Light, it's the sure
She's
sign
got
of
the
a good
hiccups.
time. Here we go.
Don't laser her. Whoa.
Tonight's big game, man. So far, Marie, the
Turn the volume down.
hasn't done much, although Jordan Jefferson has completed his first 4 passes. Yeah, Jordan Jefferson only first down of the game today was his
Here.
first. Here again, another miscue here by LSU. Nick Saban at the end of that drive, when they settled for a field goal, their kicker ends up missing.
Baby Emma at 31
Nick
weeks.
Saban here comes over to him and addresses
With the hiccups.
With the hiccups.
you see in the background, after saying, went over and said, hey, we believe in you. We're going to come back to you. You're our guy. I love to see a coach early in the game reinforce the confidence that he and his team have in it. That's a Jordan Miller against LSU.
They really lost. LSU's not looking very good right now. Not yet.
Very light.
Came up and made a fine play. There are arguments that this may be one of the best defenses of all time in college football. This Alabama group. You think they need help? You think first and 15 is the way to try to attack Alabama? Now they're at second down. When you're behind the chains against this defense, they're going to get very creative, and that's when they can get very, very aggressive with their blitz pressure. Randall's in the slot to the right. Jefferson looks in that direction. Juggle, and he hangs on to it. And juggling next to the 29-yard line. I'll tell you what, that was almost a big play for Alabama. Dante Hightower here in the 6th year of the Red TV Ultimate Picture Game.
Kick Emma.
Almost got his left hand on it. Almost a step away from
Yeah, girl.
the
Kick Emma. I think that's still the hiccups.
He's number 11 for the Tigers. Jefferson is back to the gun. It's 3rd and 7. Randall back in that slot again. Jefferson looks in that direction. Comes in underneath. And incomplete. Using Ware as the receiver out of the backfield. And again, LSU cannot mount a drive against Alabama. It's also interesting that Alabama brought 4. They didn't blitz. They didn't bring pressure. Forcing Jordan Jefferson to read zone defenses, which sometimes for a quarterback can be a lot tougher than being able to see the coverage and man-to-man. Back to their second drive. We told you he's a freshman wide receiver. Christian Jones. Brad Wayne standing at the LSU 14-yard line. Low. And drops it at about the 25-yard line. So Alabama will have the ball. And McCarron in the early going is 9 of 15 for 92 yards.
Nope, still got the hiccups.
Dear NFL football, you inspire us to do some crazy things to both ourselves and our loved ones. But if a fan loving his team is crazy, then pass the Bud Light and call us crazy. Bud Light is proud to be the official beer sponsor of the NFL. Here we go. Looking good, dog.
We were doing a live shot for SportsCenter, and my 5-year-old at the time, he was
She's got my bladder. Oh.
I can see him out of the corner of my eye. I'm trying to focus as best I can
Oop.
on the question.
Hi, Emma.
I'm going like, and there's this little
Hi,
head peeking
Emma.
over my shoulder. trying
There
to see
you
if
are. Hello.
if he's on
Whoa.
TV.
Whoa.
He is a broadcast
What's over here?
Dad.
You're creating a shadow.
That's
Sorry.
basically what my name is Kirk.
I saw that, Mom.
And I'm definitely comfortable in my own
Hi,
Delivering a
Emma.
200-pound ice sculpture means I don't have any margin for error. One wrong turn, and I could end up unloading. So I make
She's
sure
got my bladder.
to get me exactly where I need to be. It's the same with taxis.
Emma.
TurboTax has
Hi,
a unique GPS feature that guides me step by step.
Woo!
That
Whoa.
was a good one.
With my phone or chat
That might have been a flip.
which helps me.
Oh, that was good. Oh, she's still moving over there.
Guaranteed. Get free one-on-one expert tax advice. Go to TurboTax.com.
There's not a sound that we can't make. There's not a beat that we can't create. There's not an artist we can't record. Now what?
I like that. I like that. I'd rather just do it my way.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
And she's trying to get out. Whoa.
Hi, Emma. Hi, Emma.
She's searching for a way out.
Music is a big part of my life.
Yeah, she's just playing.
Play guitar,
Stretching.
manager's assistant. Like it's any part of the process.
See
which
what
is
she can
really
do.
important to me.
Field next to him at his left. Field is spread to the right.
Whoop,
Richardson
saw that.
with his first reception went out to the backfield and out of bounds near the 30-yard line. Alabama looked like they might have a chance to put points on the board in their last drive. It was the big play here again, first and 10
Goodbye.
play action, giving McCarron
Hi, Emma.
away from the pressure. Norwood went up and over Matthew to make the play. Here's the fake
Yep.
field goal.
Hi, baby.